Today we are here for our annual SERLEPC Community Safety Fair and Hurricane Workshop. It's free to enter, it's free to put your name in for a drawing for a bicycle, it's free to win a prize, lunch is free, to see some of the emergency apparatuses, it's free. This is truly an event that we put on as the LEPC to reach out to our community to try to promote safety awareness and hurricane preparedness. We hold this event on the first Saturday of June every year, and it's just kind of the introduction to our hurricane season, which typically starts on June 1st of each year. And so we just want to get all the community out to come out. We have free food and games for the children. Then also we have a huge bike giveaway at the end of today. Today also our keynote speaker will be Mr. David Tillman. He is going to give us an outlook on the 2022 hurricane forecast and also some lessons learned from last year.
You know, we do these every year, and it's a good idea to do a hurricane workshop to get everybody prepared. No matter if it's expected to be an active season or not, it only takes one storm to cause a problem. So that's the reason why we want to do things like this to get prepared. And now is the time to do it before we get into the heart of hurricane season, which for us is really August and September.
LaPorte Office of Emergency Management is here. Deer Park Office of Emergency Management is here. Precinct 2 Community Outreach is here, and Harris County Office of Emergency Management and their outreach team is here as well. So just trying to give them information about how to prepare for not only hurricanes, but any type of hazardous event, weather or man-made. And then we also have some local vendors. We have some healthcare providers that are here. We also have some legal aids that are here as well. And then we also are blessed to have some of our facilities here that are within our SERLEPC, such as Green Light Safety, OMI, Fishbone, just to name a few.
For the third year in a row, we're forecasting a well above average season. So an average season would see about 14 tropical storms, and pretty much every forecaster that I've seen is saying anywhere from 14 to as many as 21. And typically when they say that many times you get even more than that. So another hyperactive hurricane season is possible.